Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fessner. How you doing, guys? So, in today's episode we've got a new tool in the workshop. That tool is a copier for M2 SSDs and NVMe's. So what it is that more and more we face challenges with copying the data, and fortunately and unfortunately, for those who've got modern game consoles, Microsoft's still doing NVMe drives, which are detachable, whereas PS5, board have nothing detachable. So unfortunately, we can see here storage soldered, with a controller, but we don't have the main storage detachable, which is bad. Pretty much it's bad. If we would have it, you can save this game console. So if you're using it really a lot, you can expect this to die one day and never wake up. So that's why we need something to copy the data. What came in this packaging, as we see, is the copier itself. It's quite heavy actually. I don't know how many grams, but it's quite heavy to be true. I didn't expect that weight. It's supposed to have a fan here. So here what we see is the open. Okay. Like that, okay. So open, that's acted like it would be on the magnet, to be true. Like I'm not even, because it has two, that will be on the springs or something. So that's the space, and you get different sizes, so from those smaller ones to the medium ones and the largest ones. So you can insert them, and you get here USB-C and then two connectors. Power connector, DC 5 volts as well, and the USB-C, and then power button. And then here you've got only clone. So you can clone it. From what I've seen online, people are saying that it takes about 20 minutes to copy full 20 minutes it takes to copy full 1 terabyte drive to clone it. And because we've got more branch now opening, we've got area from Wishaw, so from pretty much almost Glasgow area to Edinburgh, and including them as well, we can serve. We're quite keen to to invest more money in those devices. So that's a regular power supply, lock unlock, so we can unlock it one way or another. There is a button, okay. So we need British plug because we don't live in Europe. Okay, anybody? Anywhere? Oh, okay. Didn't expect that it will be the other way around. Okay, now it is. So that's power adapter. That's 5 volts and 4000 milliamp hours, so 4 amp hours. 4 amperes, because that's milliamps. And then it's a plug, and then it's a USB-C type cable, and then there is not USB-C to USB-C, but USB-C to A cable. Okay, plus 4 mounts for the drives. Sabrent has you covered. Extend your warranty to 2 years. Register. Product registration. So I will do it. Spread the love online. Your reviews help buyers like you make the right choice. Okay, I'll do it. Why not? Why lose 2nd year of warranty? And then whole colorful user manual and disk installation. Don't see the point, but you've got graphics made. so it does say, it will say where is the copy and where is the, that's connection diagram. I got another one. A, B, offline cloning procedure. After cloning, target drive may not show up. Oh. Depending on your operating system, your newly cloned drive may not show up at all. As you can see in the example below, after successfully finishing the cloning process, the only drive that is available is the source drive. The target drive is not found under this PC. This happens because there is a signature collision between the drives after they are cloned. As a consequence, the target drive goes offline. See, worth reading sometimes, not that men don't read user manuals. After cloning, target drive may have a different size. Once the cloning operation is finished, if the target drive is bigger than the source file, the remainder of the storage space will be left as unallocated space. This means the operating system will show the newly cloned drive target as having exactly the same amount of partitions and storage capacity as the original source drive. To add the unallocated space to the last partition of your newly cloned drive, please follow the additional steps. Right click on the drive, standard Windows procedure, yes. And that's it. What else is here? To initialize using a brand new disk. If you're using a brand new disk, you might have to initialize it before you can use it. Only initialize a disk if you are absolutely sure it is a brand new disk and it does not have any of your data on it. The initializing process destroys all previous data and renders it irretrievable. Okay, to initialize new disks. So that's what we have in the user manual. I would say that's okay, and here is a basic example of how this goes. So you see, I will be using it now. I've seen Tronic Fix is using it, I think Decoder is using it, quite a few people are using it. So this was costing really cheap because my wife is playing some games which then generate some points, and then she turns these points into Amazon vouchers. So we spent on it only about 50 or 45 pounds, something like. Yes, the regular price on Amazon was over 100 pounds, 109 or 107 pounds, and it dropped to 90 something, so the eBay price, you can say. But I had a voucher of 50 pounds on Amazon, so guess what, I've used it, and I've paid peanuts for it, like 40-50 quid only. Well, my wife had to do what she does, so that's me play games, and I was super happy that I paid so little for it. I've got it 43.49. I'll show you. See, so that's delivered on the 5th of August, so I have it for some time, but I went on a holiday, so yay. 43.49. You can't get wrong with that. If you're going, it's 109.99 back again, yes. So that's what it is. What else I can tell you? I can tell you my next plans of purchase. This is CPP heating pad, smartphone LCD screen. As my friend is doing screens here, I don't do screens like a lot, sometimes only when he's unable or customer want to have it quickly done, like while waiting, then I do it, yes. And I need the mat for those cases, and sometimes I need to diagnose other faults, so I need to remove the screen. Like I've got a A52 will have openable back, but some of the phones, in order to open, you need to detach the screen. So I will need that heating pad to not use my hot air anymore, because at the moment I'm using hot air, so you know, I will use this. For those who don't know, if you open the if you open the screen, you should have the battery on the level of 25% or less, just so that when you're heating up you don't have any chance of blowing up the battery. It's least likely that you will, but if the battery has any sort of damage, you will have that experience, and you really you don't want to have it. So yes, so that's what we have. That's what we start to use now. I've got here somewhere my new Patriot over there, P5 Plus. Okay, here 1 terabyte, and I will be testing this device on this. If offline I will be able to copy, because I've got here 256 gigabytes in this computer and I want to upgrade it to 1 terabyte. So I was thinking to make the first test on this and copy to the Crucial P5 Plus, and then keep my old one as a, you know, like a spare, just in case. You never know. But that will be my backup, just in case, and that would be really nice. Now once I will test it, once I will know that it is working, we will start to use it and start to offer backups for Xbox Series S and Xbox Series X for customers. So I will be saying to the customers that, look, you've got detachable storage and you've got two choices. Either risk that never will happen anything with your drive, or don't take any chances, make a backup. If we need to open it anyway, and if we need to do the how you call it, the cleanup, because you know of the dust inside, we can charge these customers just extra, you know, for the drive and something for cloning, but it doesn't have to be a lot, you know, like 20 pounds for cloning only and the drive, and then they have the copy of the drive. So if anything goes wrong, they can always, yes, they can always restore that backup. But if their drive will die, their game consoles, it's pretty much dead. Yes, so yeah, everybody has a choice, but at least we can make our customers aware of that. What we can offer to PS5 customers, for now nothing. Yes, we can't offer that. So yes, there should be something like PCI Express lines on the, or SSD lines on the PS5, and if somebody would find it to make a backup, that would be nice. Or maybe some software to clone, I don't know, from the PS5 level, and that would be able to maybe then somehow restore when the PS5 is dead. But is it possible? I don't know. I would have to read. If somebody knows it, how to wipe completely the drive, yes, that's mean the soldered memories, and replace them with a known good or blank, you know, blank storage from scratch, how to replace it completely, please leave comment down below, because I don't know how to do it. I know only for laptops I need it here, for laptops and for Xboxes. Yes, so if somebody knows how to do it for PS5, please leave comment down below so that people can learn. I can learn with them. And that's it in this episode, guys. 14 minutes. Hopefully you've learned something out of it. Which games are paying, or how to get free voucher on Amazon, don't ask me. I would have to ask my wife. If somebody is interested, you can leave comment down below. I can ask her, but I've really got no idea. So that's everything what I wanted to share with you. You can agree that spending 40 odd quid for this device, it's a bargain, and difficulties to be beaten. We have few other things which we're planning to do as well, and we're doing and we're planning to do. So yeah, it's quite interesting year, I can say, 2023, and hopefully we can build nice 2024 based on that. And if you are with us, thank you for being with us, and if possible, let's fix them all. Yes. Take care. Yo, bye bye.